the exit row, please don't plug your device into the outlets. Don't forget to check your seat back pocket and the area around your seat to make sure you have all.
Look down. Where?
Budget for the rental.
We fit or no?
Doors closing.
No.
Located at either end of the station platform. Please hold on.
Right.
Yeah. Let's go. Okay.
I tried before, it didn't work. Come on.
You gonna end it on the vlog?
Full battery, 14% battery. Let's record that. That's out of there. Now I have to go freaking charge.
I know. Call him. Tell him to give you a freaking discount.
Shit. This Tesla only had 13%. So they switched us to a Mercedes. Yeah, it's a 4-cylinder. It won't be too bad on gas. Said it's a 4-cylinder. It won't be too bad. Been a while since I've been in one of these. Yeah, it definitely is. What do you think?
Wait, is it automatic?
Probably.
Oops.
No. Oh yeah, it is. We used to take one of these in high school. Maybe. This white one looks better. You don't want to look around? You don't want to look around though? It looks kind of messed up. Well, it doesn't look messed up, but you could just go around with the video real fast. Not too bad. Ready?
What do you want?
I don't know, let's see.
There's chewy granola. No fake stuff. Or the girl. Is this a buy or a buy? Oh wait, no. No. It's, is this a buy or a buy?
Who says that?
The girl,
Honestly, this is
she's
a good
always on
pecker.
Facebook.
This is a good
And
peck
she's
right
like,
here, I tell you.
this has corn syrup. Don't get it. It's sunflower seed oil, not good for you. It's a buy for me.
I would like this. That's cool.
Well, this is snacks. I don't really need any of this.
I'm saying for the hike. Krispy Kreme.
See, babe, they're warm.
why.
They're warm. Just kidding.
They're probably good. Get a pack.
No. It's there. Somewhere fresh. We have that. We have bananas. Babe. No. Or this one.
I think that's good. Come on.
This one?
Yeah.
It's kind of ugly though.
Nah, it's kind of cool.
It's flowers.
Looks cool to me.
Go then. How are you taking it home? Sorry, come on.
The bruise right here. Alright, come on.
Man, I don't know what this was. Look, chocolate milk. I'm not joking, babe.
Is that bad?
Honestly, she was new, so I'm gonna give it to her. Cause
She did say all learning the menu. Huh?
But that's
Looks like chocolate milk.
there's no caramel, there's no
Yeah, the
coffee,
cold brew on it.
there's nothing. Chocolate milk, Nesquik.
Let's get some snacks and let's go.
Right here.
What is it?
In the cart and stuff that we don't need. Look at mine are better.
Yeah, better. Alright.
Let me drink my chocolate milk before it melts. And then my drink has ice, so I'm just cold and shivering and
Alright, come on. We're gonna throw all this right here.
Yeah. I'm gonna open this right now.
Can you open the door on the side?
Yes. Where?
Oh, here mine. It's
Oh.
open.
I got it.
I got it too, bro.
Put this one in the middle so we can have snacks.
Put that one up top, or like facing down, like that. You gotta watch out with your stuff.
Boom. Got deal. Ready, set, go.
What are you doing? Here.
Am I breathing?
Yeah, I knew that already. Got the Mercedes Benzo.
I got straight sugar.
Damn, this fits right here.
God, I can't.
The camera. Go walk over there. Skunk. Don't really get close to him.
I got him flying.
Yeah.
Do you want me to run away from me or something? Okay. Cheers.
Stay right there. You get your camera and stuff.
Don't get my nose. It looks like you pooped. Like that.
Hey, you really can go right over.
Let me try to dust it off. You should go one under. One under.
Yeah, come on in. We're shooting a documentary. Busted right open.
It looks good.
They look good.
Ooh, the avocado looks fire.
Place it more down.
Basic sandwich. It's good.
The Doritos. You live here or no?
Actually, I don't know about here. It's a little lonely.
Yeah. Yeah.
But you're not too far out from the city either, so.
And they look basic. Look at that.
No, look, you have a whole view.
Look at this one. Basic. Right here in Point Reyes, walking around. Gotta go to the bakery. We came here, what, like a year ago, 2 years ago?
I want to say 2 years.
2?
I think. Like magnolias or something. I don't know. They aren't. I don't think they are. Even these purple ones smell good. Oh, it's outside. And then you can enjoy their garden. But look how pretty that is over there. Look at those pink hydrangeas over there, babe. Right there. How cool is that?
Wow.
Super pretty.
My grandma would love all this. My mom too. Mexican food at its biggest. Doubt it.
Look at those huge cherries. I want to take a picture of the fruit.
You're gonna get.
Maybe he does. You
What?
want it? Tamarindo? Hola, ¿tienes gas? I don't want any, no. ¿Tiene tamales todavía?
Sí.
¿Cómo los vende esos?
A 3 cada tamales.
Oh, es por tamal. Okay, me da. You want to try one?
What is it?
Small.
Tengo de pollo, puerco, rama.
¿De qué más?
Pollo, puerco y rajas.
He has the cheese ones too.
Whatever you want to eat.
I'm gonna get a pork one. You want one? Or
No, I'm good.
no? Me da, You were about to grab one?
What'd you get?
Got watermelon and a tamale. Un tamal de puerco. What do you think it is, Willis?
We're right here in San Francisco.
About to get a haircut.
About to get an $80 haircut. $80. We might get messed up. We might waste money. And yeah. I got a haircut in Houston, but I asked for the wrong thing and paying the price.
Oh man.
And it's just straight up, like crazy. I don't know how these people do it all day.
Look at the mirror, look at
Just
that.
get used to it. Like you can't even see you in front of us right now. Oh shoot. This is really sick. Like these people are used to this crap. Go, dude. Look at that person's throwing up their hands. He thinks he's beast because it's car. Trying to smack him in the nuts.